So your car is out of warranty and it's time to get some repairs done, but you just don't know where to turn. You don't trust the dealer who sold you the car,
How you doing?
and you're still trying to forget about the last experience you had at Fast Eddie's Auto Repair. Well, fear not. There's a place you can go that you can trust. Welcome to Eagle Automotive. At Eagle Automotive, you can expect an honest and professional experience that you can depend on for years to come. Because we're not about fixing things that don't need fixing, and we're not about charging unnecessary service fees that just don't make sense. Our service advisors will walk you through a pain-free process that will get you up and running again in no time. At Eagle Automotive, we want you to tell your friends and family about your experience with us. That's why we offer professional roadside assistance, a points program, and much more. Visit our website to get all the details and to see what our clients have to say. We look forward to serving you and your car.